Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2022 BMW 225e xDrive. Now of course this is the sport model. You do get a front facing camera, front parking sensors. With this being a plug-in hybrid as well, the charging port is just here. You've then got these brilliant grey 17-inch alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear, you've also got your rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top there. With this being the sports trim, you do get the full electric opening tailgate. You've then got a three-way splitting rear bench which will fold down just so you can store any longer objects inside there. And to lower the tailgate, simply press the button up top and it will drop down like so. Then walking around again and just showing you the rear alloy here. Into the back of the car now, we have full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside, we then have your volume controls and your track select. You've got your auto hold. We've then also got your driver settings and then your drive select mode just here. You've then got your automatic gearbox, engine start stop, then your camera system. As you can see, you do have full 360-degree view. Got a wireless phone charging pad just here as well. Then coming up to the iDrive, we then in here have, let me just go to the home, there we go. We've got all your various apps along here. So you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Spotify. Within the radio, you have AM, FM, DAB. We then also have Bluetooth hands-free, Spotify, Bluetooth hands-free. You've got absolutely everything in here, including satellite navigation as well. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control on the left-hand side. We've then also got your Bluetooth hands-free, voice assistant, track select, volume, everything's on the right. You've got automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done, let me just come out of there. I'll just quickly show you the mileage when I can find it. Just at the bottom here, 5,989 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this 225, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.